Okay. I'm gonna run it. Let's see what this gives us. Okay, so let's see what's the first one. It failed. Test operator. It's failed. So the test. So I'm looking at test two right now. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Um, what's a good hint? Okay. I will start by having an additional test when you on line 355 and 352. Whenever you call add one to all, can you verify that it's the same object you're getting back? Can we start with that?
Right, right. Okay, it is not.
It's not the same object. Okay.
Hmm.
So what does that suggest?
Huh. That we are not like changing anything in like our actual list.
Yeah, we're not mutating, right? We are
We are
creating a
not
new
mutating,
list.
right, right.
Okay, so how do we fix that?
How do we fix that? We need to change something in our function, right?
Okay, what do we change?
Uh, what do we change? Hmm. Okay. So I must ah I like this, and since the syntax was like this, right? Mm.
Hmm. It's
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, I
So
can call it like the.
sure. Okay, so I'm gonna change this for you. The syntax is
Mm.
actually this. You have to surround with after the exclamation mark, the bang, you put in curly
Okay, okay.
braces, and
So
it's
sorry,
not
I
an equal
just
sign.
I,
It's
I
a
just
colon.
don't know the syntax, right?
Oh, it's all good. So I'll talk about a bit about that later. But yeah, this is the syntax.
So like this, right? Hmm. Value and not equals, but
A colon, yeah.
colon. Okay.
Yeah, that's very intentional.
Right, right.
Okay.
And right. And the test still won't pass, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
I don't know if it's
that
bugging
that
out, but there's some extra characters on my screen.
right? Really?
Okay,
Yeah,
I think
yeah, yeah. It's bugging out.
okay, I'm gonna leave this session and come back. Hold on.
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
We should like switch to Vim instead of
Does Vim have
Visual
multiplayer
Studio
programming?
Code. I don't know. Probably not.
Yeah, I don't think they have it.
Maybe some like Linux enthusiast did like a plugin for it. I don't know. Maybe.
Huh? The heck? I can't even open the file.
Really? Can you like close it and open it, reopen it maybe?
Yeah, let me. Okay. Could you restart your session? This is
Of
really
course,
bugged
of
out.
course, of course. It will be like a different link, I suppose.
Yeah.
I have sent you
Okay.
the link.
Interesting.
Do you have like this problem with other students?
Every now and then, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I just told them to like restart the session, send me a new link, and it usually fixes it. Yeah,
Right,
that was
right.
really bugged out. I don't know what's going on there. Ooh, okay. There we go. There we go.
Okay, but the tests that are failing now, they're like obvious because we are not like returning an actual list, right?
Okay, so how do we fix this?
Maybe we shouldn't like return anything, but I don't know how to do that.
Okay, we can return something. It just has to be the same list. Oh,
Okay.
so let me do some explaining. So last time I did more research yesterday. I'm going to scroll down to the end of the file to demonstrate. So remember our account one? Let's just say that exists.
hmm
Whenever we do like this whole thing will produce
Wait,
account
wait.
one.
Can you
Okay?
like save the file? I can't see the changes that you are making.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I can't see. Maybe I will restart like
You know
VS
what?
Code.
It's okay. I don't intend to keep this anyway. Just yeah, for now, look at my screen
Mhm.
share, I guess.
Okay.
But whenever you do a field mutation with the bang curly braces,
Right.
it
Right.
produces the thing you're mutating. So this whole thing
Okay.
evaluates to ACCT1. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
that's all I wanted
Okay.
to. I'm gonna erase my changes because I don't want it to bug out.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that will help you a lot here.
Hmm. So this will be like the whole list. But wow, we must like do this so this will return the whole list, right? And the second will return like hmm. Okay, okay. Like how to do that? I don't know really.
Are you making any changes to the file right now?
No,
Not
no,
seeing.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
Oh, you're just thinking. All right. Okay.
Yeah,
So um, okay, I want to revisit the template.
of course.
So the reason why you're struggling so hard right now is because the template is slightly incorrect.
Okay.
Firstly, the template doesn't. It's missing one important ingredient. It doesn't notice how the bang curly brace isn't inside the template.
Mm, right, yeah.
Well, it should be. Could you modify the template so that the bang curly brace is in there somewhere? And given an L that's an M link, what can we do? How can we mutate it?
Like we can only change the value, right? So
Okay. So can you show me how?
uh, can you see the changes that
Yes,
I'm
I can.
making? Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's great. Uh, okay, so uh, okay,
Uh, in this case, I don't want to do a list abstraction. I just want a raw template.
okay, okay, okay.
We'll
So
come back to abstraction later. For now, can you remove operation? Just write dot 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 after the value, colon. Yeah.
okay, I can't not do that. Okay.
How other than value, can we also change the R?
Ah, mm,
We can, right? R is
yeah,
mutable.
yeah, we can, right?
Okay, so inside the
So
same curly brace, you can actually
okay,
write comma R colon.
like this, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
And then you can call the mutable list template on that R.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
Delete that, right?
Actually, wait, don't delete it. Let's bring that back. So okay, let me can you see my changes? I'm gonna type some stuff here. Do you see it?
No.
Okay, okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave and come back because I do want to type some stuff now.
Uh, Can I
Uh,
like close? I close the Visual Studio
Actually,
Code.
wait, can you copy everything here and paste it into a new file? Call it like ACC2? I want to try
Of
that.
course.
Yeah. I want to see if we can trick the system by making a new file. Wait a minute. Is it because... Okay, I'm gonna write some stuff at the end of the file.
Okay, of course.
Do you see it?
No.
Okay, I think I know why. I'm in read-only mode. I just realized that.
Oh, have I sent you like the wrong? Hmm.
Uh,
Really? Can I? Okay, okay. Okay. Sorry, my bad, my bad. Now
oh,
you should be able.
do you see my changes at the end of the file
Yeah,
now? Oh,
yeah.
okay, okay, yeah, no, I was in read-only mode. Okay. Okay, let's go back to ACC1 just to keep things
Mm.
consistent.
Okay, so I will delete the
Yeah.
ACC too.
So, okay, back to the template. Um, oh, I found it. Okay. So this is somewhat right, but template is much more general, and so I'm going to add some extra dot dot dots. It's going to look funny, but yeah.
Of course.
In fact, like personally, like I might just leave the mutation just like dot dot dots. Like I wouldn't put V inside the mutation or template R. Like I might not even do that, depending on the situation. I might just do
Okay.
this.
Okay.
But for our purposes, I'm going to do this because it's more useful for
Yeah.
us in the near
Yeah.
future.
Okay. Okay.
It's more restrictive, but it's more restrictive that's useful for our purposes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I also have it outside just in case because you might run into situations where you're not changing anything, you're just processing things.
Right.
For example, let's say if I ask you to sum all the numbers in a list, mutable list, you're not going to change anything. You're just adding
Yeah.
numbers, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I want to talk about. Okay, given now that you have the right template, can we revisit add one to all?
Right. So. the whole M link would like disappear, right?
Yes. So the reason why you were getting a new list that wasn't being changed is because of that M-link.
Right. Yeah, it makes sense. Mm, Just for a second. Okay. Your template doesn't compile. Oh. Hmm. Can I like comment the template out?
Yeah,
Because
sure.
it's okay, okay. What was the syntax like this? Yeah,
Yep.
okay.
Okay. My session's
Yeah,
definitely bugged out. Hold on, I'm gonna leave and come back again.
of course. Wait, but okay. Can I share you like uh different link? Okay, I will like give you. Okay, have you joined? Right.
Oh, you give me a new
Okay.
link?
No, 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 no. It's okay because you have already you can like write. Yeah.
Oh, wait, I think I should be able to write.
Yeah, yeah, you should.
Okay. All right. So let me see if it's okay. Great. Yeah, yeah. It looks correct now. Okay. If you run this, does it pass?
Mm,
Congrats.
right.
Okay. So when you wrote mlink just now, remember the box and arrow diagram?
Yeah.
Whenever you create a structure, you are creating a new box.
Okay.
The exception is for like, empty. You do not,
Yeah.
for empty, they create the box for you, and whenever you say empty, you're using the same box
Hmm.
because this
Okay.
box doesn't have any values inside of it.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
okay.
just a box. So empty it handles itself. So mlink, whenever you write mlink, it will make a new box. But in this case, we don't want to make a new box. We want to change the existing box, which is why we must just do lbang curly brace and change everything inside.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to talk a bit about the syntax behind the mutation. So notice how they use colon.
Right. Yeah.
I don't know the exact reason, but I believe it's because they don't want to use equal sign because equal sign is reserved for creating something
Right.
like
Yeah.
initializing.
Makes
Equal signs
sense. Makes sense.
is reserved for initializing, and they don't want you to confuse the two concepts of initializing and mutating. Okay.
Okay.
The bang is because it's like, oh, bang, be careful. It's yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's why. All right. Yeah, I think you got the idea. Um.
I hope so too.
Okay. So we say that text is fixed. So I'm gonna modify the to-do list at the bottom. Do I want you to? Ah, that's fine. Okay. We'll save the set. I'll leave the setup for something you will deal with at your own time because I don't think it's critical.
Okay.
Anyway,
I have the
I want.
whole weekend, right?
Yeah. Uh, let's see. What should we do next? Can you define a function that's mutable for R on mutable list of X? So I'll give.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So now we're turning our template into a list abstraction. So good luck.
Mm, okay.
Oh, it's.
What?
Oh, sorry. Wait, I made a mistake. Sorry. Uh, I meant mutable map.
Of course, of course.
Yeah. The thing
Uh,
about mutable fold R is the res yeah, no, I'll save that for next time. So I want mutable math first.
okay, okay. Mm, okay, so function uh, with table map. Uh, okay, I just can call it this map. It'll be easier. Of course, of x. Mm, uh, function of x to x, right? Okay, I can just copy this, right? Uh, it's empty, because empty and mm, uh, uh, okay. Mm, okay, I forgot something now. Uh, we have created the list, right? So a map of, I don't know, the list called like this. Mhm. Then 20, right? I should also like do this with uh, empty, empty first. Mm. Uh, on like this, right? Like this, to the list of two, and just call this function, right?
Can we change the lambdas to something else for this test? Just to have some variety.
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't know. Maybe does that check out?
Perfect.
Of course. Okay, okay. So this right.
Does that say 1002? Okay.
No, no. Why did you ask? Why did you ask?
Okay, are we done here?
I forgot the colon, right? Mm,
Never copy code.
right,
It's your
right.
teacher's advice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, of course, of course. Wait. Hmm.
You see it?
Yeah, we changed the. Of course. Yeah, makes sense. We changed it before. Yeah, in like at to one in where. Yes, yes, yes. Hmm. Okay, okay. But okay. Can you like make it locally or this won't work?
Sorry, what are you doing?
What?
Oh. Oh yeah. So, okay, if you click run, it's gonna say there's a shadow problem, I believe. Oh wait, did it work?
Uh,
Oh. Oh yeah. Sure, yeah, yeah.
yeah. It did, but like my mistake, right? Because we use the same list.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yes. Okay, it's good that you experienced that. There's actually one more problem. Wait a
Hmm.
minute. Wait, did it pass?
Yeah. It passed all this.
Wait, is this? Wait, can you see my screen? Is it saying the same thing as yours?
Uh, where?
There is a bug. How is it passing?
Where?
Wait a minute. Shouldn't the second value of this one two be 20? Why is it 103?
Because like uh, we use the same. Uh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, wait a minute.
Okay, but it shouldn't be.
There is a bug.
There is, yeah.
Do you see it? How's it
Uh,
passing?
what should be the value? The value should be like uh
Oh,
one 1020, right? Or shouldn't it?
1020. For which one?
Yeah, for like the last test.
Oh man, okay. 100 and then you multiply. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, should 1020, right?
Yes, yes.
I am correct, I think.
Because you multiply 102 by 10. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
What is
1020, yeah.
happening? Like,
So the final test should be failing, right?
mm, so it should be like this. It is failing now, and it's showing.
Okay. Yes, because there is a bug in the code. Okay, let's see if you can find it.
Oh man, there is. Hmm. Yeah, 9 3 8 3. Okay. Creating a list. Empty. Right. Right. It's empty. Right. Hmm. I am so stupid. I shouldn't copy code.
Yeah, that's what I was saying that just now, actually. I was referring to that. Yeah, so if you want to copy code, you should copy the template, not a solution.
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
I thought I copied the template actually.
Oh, okay.
Why did the test even pass? Like I write its number. Okay.
Because you're only testing the numbers. If you test with a
Ah,
string, you'll
right.
get an
Yeah,
error.
of course, of course. Yeah,
Yeah.
it makes sense. I should
So
like test on multiple things,
yeah,
right?
so on generics, you want to test at least two data types so that you don't run
Mm,
into problems like this.
it should be like this, like
Excuse
function.
me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. It's working now. Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, except like line 377 should probably say X instead of number.
Well, okay, you're right, right.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's next. What
I
do we
thought
go?
like my cases are correct, right? There must be like a problem with the function.
Yeah. Okay. I got a new task. We're now getting into slightly new territory. So far, what I've been doing is I'm just trying to get you used to working with mutation. I think
Yeah,
you're
of
getting the
course.
hang of it. I think the syntax is messing you up a little bit, but I think you have a good idea of it now. Um, but yeah, it's basically like almost the same, but instead of creating new things, you're just modifying what's already there.
Yeah.
And testing is a bit more painful.
Yeah, right.
Okay, now this is going to be interesting. I have a new task. So, given a mutable list, deletes the ith element where I starts counting from zero, where I is the index. So in programming, I's index is typically counting from zero.
Yeah, of
So
course.
the first position is index zero. Okay, there's something to this that I'm not gonna explain yet, but you will hit it. Good luck.
hmm Okay. Thank you for that. Simple task. Yeah. Uh, Same list must be produced. Uh, okay. 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 I will copy the template. I don't want to write all that again. I will call it delete at at. Okay. Let's see. I will be a number. Uh, and it will create a mutable list of X. Mutable. Okay. So if it's empty,
Um, yeah, if it's empty, just return empty. Yeah, that's fine. So sorry, I should specify that.
oh, right, right.
If the index is not in the list
Mm,
remains unchanged. Sorry, my bad. I should specify that. Typically
mm,
you will see that people will provide an error, like, oh, if it's not in the list, error, but I haven't taught you errors yet, and you won't need that for competitive programming, so let's just say it does nothing.
okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, okay. We can do it like this. Okay, so if the index is zero, right? We can just return the rest. It's the easiest case, right? Hmm. Why are you laughing?
Keep going. Ah,
I'm not doing this.
keep going, keep going. You're on the right track.
Yeah, of course, of course. That's why you are laughing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Uh, uh, hmm. And what now? What now? Ah, okay, so first like this. And what we need to return? The like value must be value.
So you can actually, if value column V, like it's the same thing, right? You can just omit that. That doesn't need to be there.
Hmm. So like this.
You can delete value also. So it's just rest you're changing.
Oh, okay, okay, it makes
If you're
sense.
changing, so you only need to do that if you're changing something, right? If you're not changing
Mm,
value, then you don't have to include it.
mm,
So are we changing rest here?
yeah, are we not?
Okay, keep going.
Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Uh, and rest will be like delete at
Okay.
rest and index -1. Ah, I can't type -1. Ah, all right. Hmm. I must write the tests.
Nice. I've actually preferred you to write the test first for this one. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry.
All good, all good.
Mm. Ah, I can like.
Doing that from now on.
Yeah. Sorry that the examples are not like named
That's
wisely,
okay.
but I want to do that like you can just call it 20 and uh 40 and 50. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I can't do like this. Oh, I forgot it's not normal list, right?
You could also create a shortcut that like takes in a normal list and converts it into a mutable list.
Hmm.
So I'll let you do that at your own time if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, that make your life easier.
Uh,
I
I think
think that's
that's fine.
good. Can we have a string example?
Of
Just mix it
course.
up a bit. Yeah. Get you in the habit of doing this. You won't need this for I think in competitive programming at your level, you're dealing primarily with numbers, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, so I
most
guess you
or
won't
most
need
of the
this.
time.
Yeah.
Right, right. Evening of I don't know. Uh, Marvin
Sure.
will delete you, of course.
Mhm.
That's like no-brainer. Okay, should be all set here. So, mm, delete at, I don't know, L1 dot 0 is 1, right? And L1 value. Oh, okay, so the L1 should be like empty now, right?
Okay.
Okay, and delete at L2 and no, 1 is 2, L2 value uh, is 20, L2 value is 50, the rest. Right. Of course it doesn't work. Why should it be? Should it work? Uh,
Wait. What? I think I got. Are you getting the error I'm getting?
no.
The heck? Why is it? Let
What
me.
error? You are getting an error in a comment, right?
Yeah, what the heck?
Hmm.
Let me leave and come back. What the hell?
Quite interesting. Right. I think you made a typo in the comments, right? Right.
It's a comment.
Yeah, yeah.
What
It happens, right?
the
When
heck?
we make like typos in the comments. Right, right.
Okay, where's my Zoom?
It makes sense. It's your fault, of course.
Wait, can you send me the link again? Sorry, I lost the link
Yeah, yeah, of
since
course,
we
of course.
stopped the Zoom session.
Here. Here.
I have never gotten that in my life. I've been programming for many years. This is my first time getting an error in a comment.
How many years have you been actually programming?
Hmm. I would say like my eyes really opened. So I've done programming like since young, but like I really only really under like I started doing real programming maybe like my first year of college. So that's like 5 years ago ish.
Okay.
But I have started before then though. But like this curriculum that we're doing, this is what I did in college. So yeah, you're quite a few years ahead right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Do you know actually how old I am?
I
I
mean,
have.
based on context, I can somewhat guess, but I don't know your exact age.
Okay, I'm 16.
Oh, you're 16. Okay, I did not know
16,
that. Okay,
right.
dude, I thought you were like a college student, when I first met you. I would not have guessed you're 16.
Okay, okay.
Oh. All right, let's see. So 415 L1. L1 is empty. Yeah, that's not expected. Okay, so it's not your fault. I'm
Oh,
okay.
really?
So, no,
Finally.
because I have not explained something. I know I purposely let you do this problem without you knowing this so that you would experience it firsthand because it's a very important idea. I'm going to
Okay.
comment out two tests and let's see if the test pass. Huh? Oh, yeah, no, no. Wait, let me think about this.
Hmm,
Okay, my brain needs to process this.
of course, take
Oh,
your
yeah,
time.
okay. So line 418, let's focus on line 418. Actually, you know what? I'm going to bring back the test. We can think of line 415. We delete an
415.
L1
Hmm.
is 0. Do we really get back L1?
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Okay, don't change anything. I just want you to answer the question. Like, do we get back L1?
Wait, wait, wait. No, we are not because we are only getting the rest, right? We are not
Yes.
even returning the list, right?
So previously, whenever we made a modification, we can always get back the same list.
Uh,
This is the first example we can't do that for the first position in the list.
So
But
can I
because we
can
can't do
I
it in the first position in the list and it's recursive, now all we can't do it for any position in the list,
can
right?
I like do it like this? So the rest, the value. Hmm. The value must be nothing, right? But
Um, so you're trying to block out that element.
yeah.
Okay, but that's that's sort of escaping the question because the question wants you to modify the structure of the list. We want that element to be gone entirely, not
Mm,
cancelled out. But sometimes in programming we do that when we don't want to change the structure of something. We just block out. We maybe have a Boolean flag that say it's like deleted. So we do
like
that sometimes.
in databases, right? Where
Oh yeah,
we
for example.
yeah, yeah, yeah. We learn like databases at school, so
That. Oh, okay. School's quite advanced for school that doesn't give homework. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So so let's not do that. But here's an important observation. I'm going to write this in the middle of your test. Important.
Hmm.
We can't. We don't have the ability to delete an element at the zeroth index and still produce the same list. Why is it that we can't do that?
Because we can't like change the value to nothing, right? We can't like okay, we can change the value in a mutable list to something, but we can't like delete it and get the same list back, right? Because the number of elements is fixed, right?
Oh, wow, that's a good way of understanding it. Yeah. So yeah, I'll leave that like one explanation is that to produce the same list is this is not entirely true, but for your implementation it is. Is that to
Okay.
produce the same list means that the length of the list doesn't change, but this is specific to your implementation. There is actually another solution that still doesn't work.
Okay.
Um, so that's one explanation. The other explanation is that this if you produce the same list and the thing you're trying to delete is like is the first thing, and so it is the list. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, if it's the first thing, that first thing is responsible for holding the entire list, right? In the rest.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to say.
Mm.
So if you delete that first thing, it is the list, right?
Hmm.
You lose the list, you delete it. So by deleting it, you lose the list. At
That's
best, you can
that's why
produce the
you were
rest.
laughing.
Hmm?
That's why
Uh,
you were laughing.
yeah. No, like you are your solution is very much correct, but it doesn't consider this situation because your data. So okay, so why did you run into this situation? Why did you run into like you did everything right? Like you followed the
Thank
template.
you.
You followed the template and did everything right.
Why did you do this wrong? Because you did everything right. Makes sense, makes sense.
It's also because
As
the
always in
data
programming.
representation has led you down this path.
No,
The data representation,
was false.
not to say it's false, it doesn't even allow you to do this,
Okay.
right? So I basically gave you an impossible task.
Thank you, thank you.
So I'm going to, okay, I'm going to comment out. I don't know how I want to do this. Okay, let's keep delete add version 1. Let's keep it for your reference. I'm going to comment out the tests. But you can move the tests. I'm going to ask you to create version 2. That's
Mm,
that
of
will work.
course.
So, okay, let me first ask you, how can we change the data representation to get around this?
How can you change the data representation?
Hmm.
Like we can do this like the lazy way, just making another thing like boolean to like check is if it's uh like selected or not, right? But
Sorry, that is
it's
selected. What do you mean?
if it's like okay, if it's active, okay, I can't like get the word for it.
Like, are we talking about like the database idea?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but let's say I don't want to do that. I want to like actually change the structure of the list.
Ah, hmm. We can't make it with a like linked list, right?
What do you mean by that?
Because we would like delete the entire thing by trying to delete the first element as you said
Yeah.
so. But okay, okay.
Okay, so let's analyze this, okay? I'm going to scroll
Of
to the
course.
bottom. So here's some theory questions. Theory, okay? First, what does
Yeah.
it mean to delete an element in a mutable? Oh yeah, so what we've been doing so far is a mutable data structure. Okay,
Yeah.
let me do some vocabulary. Vocab. Uh, Data structure. What is the data structure? Have you heard of this term?
Uh, you can like remind me of it. Yeah.
Okay, I feel like
Yeah.
everyone like knows this intuitively, but they can't put it into words. But
Yeah.
it's basically like an organized way.
Of storing data, right?
Yeah, basically,
Yeah.
or information. So remember, in my philosophy, it's all about the translation between data and information.
Yeah. Yeah.
A data structure, it typically is typically a compound, not always the case, but typically compound or compound data, like
Mm,
arbitrarily large data. So the moment we went into lists, I don't know if you noticed, the moment we crossed into lists, that's all we've been doing. We've been dealing with the compound data.
yeah.
As programmers, we work a lot in this space. Okay, so typically for compound arbitrarily large data, and mutable means change in place. Don't create a new one when something should change. That's basically what mutable means. And the reason why we like mutable data structures is that they're performant. Creating something is actually quite expensive. So if you're creating a lot of things, there's a lot of work. Why do
Yeah.
so much work? You just change what you need. And that's why, like,
Mm,
we didn't do this exercise, like delete an element for the non-mutable list. If you were to do that, you won't have this problem because you're creating a whole new list with one element less, right?
yeah.
But
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
you're finding the one element you should remove and just taking that one out. That's like so much quicker, a lot less work. Okay,
Yeah.
a bit of vocabulary. Okay, the theory. So what does it mean to delete an element in a mutable data structure?
Is this a question to me?
Yes.
Oh, uh, it's like mm, maybe like replace all the elements like one one step back to where
Mm.
the
But
taken element was.
true, but don't you have one left over at the end of the list?
So like delete. Okay, okay.
Okay, so in that situation, let's simplify. Let's say we want to delete the last element of the list. What does it mean
Hmm.
to delete the last element of the list?
Is to like replace it with empty, right?
How do we replace it with empty?
Like change the. Okay, okay. Hmm. Change the like M link to M empty, right?
Wait, change whose link to MMT?
Like the last link.
Ah, changed the previous element's res to empty, right? For
Right,
the last
right.
element. Okay, how do we generalize this to any element?
Hmm. Like change the elements rest to like the rest value and the rest. No, not and of the value rest. Like change the first rest to the like second rest that is after it. Do you know what
So
I
if,
mean?
I think I know what you mean, but can you write it down? Because I don't want to accidentally give you the answer. Can you write it
Mm,
down on line 447? What do you mean by that?
like we can like link of oh value and rest and it's like link of value and rest. We can like replace this whole like rest. Okay, sorry. Oh, like into comments, right? Like this is rest and this is also rest and like replace the first to the seconds. So okay, so instead of this, we get something like this, right?
Yes. Okay. So yes, I know what you're trying to say. And you have the right idea, but I'm gonna rephrase that in English. Change the
Of course.
previous element's rest to the current element's rest.
Yeah, yeah,
That's basically what
yeah,
you're saying.
yeah. That's what I mean.
Okay. I want you to note the idea. Note the previous element. Okay. So this is theory. Like you don't have to write code, but if you can write code,
Mm,
that's great. I'm gonna give you a theory homework. Given that we given this new idea that we have to change the previous element's rest to the current element's rest, with the idea of previous element being very important, how would you modify our data representation? Uh, this is quite difficult, but not impossible. I want you to internalize this and think about this, and
okay, okay.
we'll pick it up back up. I don't know if you want extra exercises, but some good exercise is a list abstraction. Actually, no, no, no. Okay, no, I'll give you a break because the thing is our data representation is going to change. I don't want you to be writing a lot of functions if we know that it's going to change, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'll leave you this theory exercise then.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's wrap it up here. I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you next time.
See you Monday, I suppose.
Monday, yeah, in 3 days.
Yeah,
Yeah, you get a long weekend.
yeah. Goodbye.
All right, bye bye now.